Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the domain. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to this one cannot equals to number 0. So if we want to find this solution, we will have about s cannot equals to number 3 and s cannot equals to negative number 2. So the domain of this one, that should be about from negative infinity to negative number 2, from negative number 2 to number 3, and the last one from number 3 to positive infinity, because the question should be interval notation. This is the end. Thank you for watching.